I have these mirrored houses and they are wall stickers, and I picked these up at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by painting one in our snow owl, one in our blush, and I'm just using the same dabber as I'm going to the darker colors. I'm going to do one in Republic Red. And I'm just doing this dabbing motion, and it just helps the paint to adhere best because this is a mirror texture. So I'm going to get a little creative. I cut two out, and I'm going to use some stencils that I have around the house. I have this striped one, and you can use any stencil of your choice. So I'm going to do the Republic Red with some stripes on one of the houses. And then I had this adhesive stencil that was in the plaid. I'm going to lay that down, and I'm going to do some Republic Red in Snow Owl, which is going to create this pink. And you just want to have fun with it. You could do polka dots. And then I just finished off the rest of the ones here. I may not use all of them. Once done, I'm going to take my Rust-Oleum top coat here, ×2 in the clear, and spray them all down and put them aside to dry. I have this small palette from the Dollar Tree, and I wanted to cut it in half, and I'm using my miter box here. And I made both sides similar. And then I'm going to add them to each other long ways. I'm going to use little parts to kind of help me glue these two pieces together and give them some stability, using pieces of craft sticks. And this is all on the bottom of this palette here. Now I'm going to take my houses, and then I'm going to glue them kind of randomly, putting different sizes, different colors in that groove along my palette. And then I'm going to take some rope and glue it along the front edge of this palette to kind of give it a finished look. And then I had these stickers that said "Be Mine" and "Sweet" that I added to two of the homes. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitofancy.com for any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils. Don't forget our cutouts, and if you are interested in our monthly subscription, go check it out at chalkitofancy.com.